morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm just gonna be doing a day in the life vlog. So it is currently Friday and I don't know why, but I woke up so early this morning. I woke up at 6 a.m. I think I had a nightmare and that woke me up and I wasn't able to fall back asleep. So I feel like I've been awake for a really long time because it's almost 10 a.m. now. Basically, I just took Cleo out, I did some editing and I did some cleaning, and I am about to head over to Hyundai Beach, which is about 10 minutes past the beach that I live at. And I'm going to be meeting up with two of my friends. We're just gonna go on a walk and then I think get some brunch before they head to work and before I go to the gym. So yeah, I just kind of have like a very chill morning plan. Anyways, I am about to head out. I just want to show you guys my outfit. I'm probably gonna put a long sleeve top on over this. This is just what I'm wearing to the gym later. But you guys, this is like my new favorite staple. This little loose, it's very lightweight. It's a long sleeve button-up shirt. I love shirts like this, not only for spring, but for summer. I will probably wear this as like a beach cover-up the whole summer to like protect my shoulders. I just got this from a random store on the side of the street, so I'm not exactly sure where I got it from, but if you're looking for a cute spring, summer staple, I definitely suggest getting something like this. I'm wearing those leggings I got from Coupon, the shirts, some necklaces, and I just put a hat on last minute because I feel like it's gonna be very windy walking by the beach. Guys, I'm so happy it finally is starting to feel like spring. I feel like I'm always saying that, but if you know me, you know I'm like a huge summer gal, so just feeling a little bit of warmth is the best thing ever. Anyways, I'm going to the station now, so I'll see you guys when I get to Hyundai.
그렇지. 자, push.
Want to give a really big thank you to today's sponsor, which is Native. If you've been watching my vlogs for a while now, you would know that I am a big advocate for Native. So about 5 or 6 years ago, I started using their deodorant, but what's really cool is they came out with some other products now. So I also use their body wash every single day, and then I just got their toothpaste. They have one with fluoride and one without fluoride, and I'm obsessed with both of them. So the reason I started using Native's products several years ago is because they are aluminum free, sulfate free, and paraben free. The ingredients in here are really, really simple, and they are also a vegan and cruelty-free brand, so we love that. Native teams up with Jungalow, so they have a whole new line, and this one, basically the best way to explain this was if you went into a rainforest, I feel like this is what you would smell. It smells very fresh, very green. If you guys want to give them a try, I actually have an amazing deal that you can take advantage of. You can get a box of 3 for $24, which is 33% off what you would pay otherwise. So I'm going to have the link to that down in the description. And once again, huge thank you to Native for sponsoring this video. Alright, package lunchtime. Let's open these babies up. I don't think it's anything exciting because I haven't ordered anything very exciting. Okay, so first we got some new workout leggings. So if you guys remember, in a recent vlog, I ordered a couple pairs of leggings. I got them in a small. They fit me fine, but I wanted to order another color in medium to see if medium feels more comfortable on me, because sometimes when I put the smalls on, I'm like, are these about to rip? So I got them just in this mid color. You guys see my dog? She's like, mommy. Next, I got, a workout top. It's in this wine color. I'll open this to show you guys the fit. It has this backing. These are so comfortable. It's like a wine red color. Next, I got tampons. Woo! Maybe that's why I'm so tired, because I'm on my period right now. Next, I got, this is something I've been needing. I got a new set of knives because these knives I have right now, I literally think I got them from Daiso, which aren't the best long-term knives. They're pretty cheap quality. So it was just time because it was a struggle to cut anything. So I got a ceramic kitchen tool set. And finally, I'm kind of confused as to why it came in this big old box. I also got a pan because my kitchen pan was like super burnt and just like I needed to get a new one. But why did it come in this big box? I got a pan. Woo. All right, that's my little haul. I'm going to clean all this stuff up and kind of give I think that's why I feel a little bit tired and overwhelmed, because my apartment is a mess. So I'm gonna clean up a little bit and then we'll take Clay outside, and I need to get showered after that. Okay, dinner time. I am just making my like skinny pasta dish, which is basically noodles, but I load it up with tofu and vegetables, and I add pasta sauce so that it feels like I'm eating a huge bowl of pasta. But really, it's just a little bit of pasta and a whole lot of good stuff. So yeah, I just have the noodles boiling right now, and then I have been loving frozen vegetables just for like quick, easy access. So I just microwaved some of those. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지 Let's do a little taste test. So yeah, this is just mostly vegetables and tofu, and then a little bit of pasta, and then the sauce I use is just like regular tomato with cream sauce or something like that. It's good. It definitely cures that pasta craving. So cute. She's eating her dinner next to me. How adorable. Okay guys, so we're back in the kitchen, and I've kind of found this new love for making chocolate covered strawberries. It started with Valentine's Day. I made them, and ever since then they've just been like my go-to dessert. I think also because I'm trying to eat healthier and not eat a lot of like processed food. I've just been really enjoying this, so I'm gonna make this right now. I will say it does require a lot of concentration, so I'm gonna not talk. I need to turn this down so the chocolate doesn't scorch, and it's good if you have someone to help you. And I have my toppings right here, so I'll show you guys how they turn out. Okay, it's almost melting.
Let's go!
See, it gets thick so quick, but it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. And I'm only doing half the chocolate on each because it's... Try it, it's really tasty. protein snack.
Oh my god. Protein snack?
You wanna try it?
It's from America?
It's like, tastes kind of like beef.
Beef?
Yeah, beef protein snack kind of.
Where's the like protein? How many? What's it?
Grams?
Yeah, grams.
I don't know. I think it's like 10 grams of protein.
Hey. Eddie!
It says right here,
Eddie!
dog food. You're like,
Eddie!
what are you looking at? It says dog food. What were you looking at?